Canceling a sales agreement can be a tricky process, but with the right knowledge and approach, you can do it legally and avoid penalties. This video will guide you through the essential steps and considerations for terminating a contract effectively. Contracts are legally binding documents, and canceling them isn't always straightforward. However, there are several legitimate ways to terminate a contract. These include impossibility of performance, breach of contract, prior agreement, rescission, and completion of the contract. Before attempting to cancel any agreement, it's crucial to understand your legal rights. Some contracts, particularly those related to door-to-door sales, home improvements, or credit-related agreements, may include a cooling-off period. This allows you to cancel within a specified time frame, usually a few days, without penalties. To cancel a sales agreement legally, follow these steps. First, carefully review the contract terms, paying close attention to any cancellation clauses or contingencies. Next, check if there is a cooling-off period applicable to your situation. If you decide to proceed with cancellation, provide written notice to the other party, clearly stating your intention to terminate the contract and the reasons for doing so. In some cases, you may need to negotiate a mutual cancellation with the other party. This can help avoid disputes and potential legal issues. If applicable, be prepared to return any payments or goods received under the contract. If the terms are unclear or you're unsure about the process, it's wise to seek legal assistance from a qualified attorney. Be aware that improper contract cancellation can have serious consequences. These may include breach of contract lawsuits, loss of deposits or fees, negative impact on your credit score, and potential damage to your business reputation. To avoid these issues, always ensure that your cancellation follows the contract terms and legal requirements. If a dispute arises during the cancellation process, consider alternative dispute resolution methods. Mediation and arbitration can be faster and less expensive than going to court. These processes involve a neutral third party who helps facilitate negotiations or makes a decision on the dispute. In conclusion, canceling a sales agreement requires careful consideration of the contract terms, understanding your legal rights, and following proper procedures. By taking these steps and seeking professional advice when needed, you can terminate a contract legally and minimize the risk of penalties or legal disputes. Remember, each contract and situation is unique, so always approach cancellation with caution and thorough preparation.